High goes the cargo plane,
flying through clouds again and again.
down below is a tiny town.
Toy village where friends gather around.
That plane says whoosh as it flies so high.
Carrying toys across the sky.
Drop, 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 parcels come down.
Surprises for every house in town.
Clap your hands and stomp your feet.
Toy village fun is really neat.
A little car hair, a teddy bear.
Blocks and puzzles everywhere.
The villagers cheer and wave hello
Thank you, plane, for gifts we love so.
as the sun sets, the